Time to get up for some breakfast. Here we go. Breakfast for ya. Turn all this into breakfast. All done. Start off with the 3 eggs and some chicken on top. Hey Bubbles, go to the gym. Just waiting for the bus. I'd have to say one thing I've noticed, if you train like really hard and really push yourself, you do get the full benefits of the gym. You get the biggest pump, the biggest growth. I've noticed lately I've got to sort of get to bed early. You know, sometimes you binge watch YouTube or whatever, and then you're in that mode of thought, and then you don't want to stop watching, and you really should be going to bed, or even set an alarm, and yet you still continue to watch. It's a bad habit. Just waiting for the bus, which should be here very shortly. I've noticed, like, I'd have to say the creatine definitely works, but you got to take it a fair bit during the day and during the workout to get the full benefits. Welcome to Frankston. Just about to get to the gym. Bloody starving for lunch. Very hungry. I called up about my car getting fixed down the panel beaters, down the body shop. They said it will be fixed in a couple of weeks, so that's good news. Frankston Gym. Today for lunch we got a coffee, some peanut butter and some Vegemite on each one. And got spaghetti with chicken on top with some spinach. Yeah, it was a really good workout. Got a really good pump in my arms. You do feel better when you've been pumping several days and training, like you really got to push yourself, and you really, like Coach Greg says, train harder than last time. While I'm waiting for the bus, I might as well get some more groceries. Yeah, this week in the gym has been probably my best in a long time. I think I'd have to say creatine and setting my mind to full ball definitely has helped. I did notice a lot of people training in the gym today. They're too distracted on their phones, talking to friends. You can really see that's just like, you got to tune your mind to your muscle. Like Arnold Schwarzenegger's quote, when I curl, my mind is in the muscle. walk home in the rain. Oh well. Getting hungry for dinner. Be good to get home and get out of the rain. How you going, Bubbles? Tonight I'm having some smoked oysters from the tin and some spaghetti with some chili. Cook. It's time to cook the last meal for the day. Last meal time. Some tinned salmon and some tuna. Tonight we're having mixed lettuce with an avocado with a tin of tuna and a tin of salmon. High in protein, low in calorie. Yum yum.